Hello, we're looking at problem 4 from lesson 4-4. It says graph and nonlinear function rules. It says, what is the graph of each function rule? So we have y equals the absolute value of x minus 4. And they've done a chart over here and connected the points. I'm not a big fan of the chart, so I'm not going to do it this way. I'm going to use my free graphing calculator at www.desmos.com. Now, one thing that you should already know about the absolute value function is what it looks like, because it's what is known as a parent function. So I'm going to go ahead and put this. I'm going to say y equals and the absolute value, which is next to my bracket sign. I just hit the shift key in the bracket of x. And there it is. So we should all know that this is what the absolute value function looks like. And I can transform it. And so I see that I have minus 4. So when I have a subtract by 4, that means I'm going to move down 4. So let's do that. Y equals absolute value of x minus 4. So see, it's the exact same graph. I just shifted down. So let me zoom out. So you can see exact same graph, same size, everything. I just shifted down 4. All right, so the same thing goes for this quadratic. Again, I don't like doing the chart. I think that's too tedious. And you should basically know what this quadratic function looks like. So let's put it in here. X raised to the 2. 2. And that's what they all look like. They all look like this is known as a parabola. And then I bet you can guess what happens if I add 1. Instead of going down 1, I'm going to go up 1. So it's going to be the exact same graph, but up 1. So let's do it. Y equals x squared plus 1. And there, it's the exact same graph. I just moved up 1. So again, let's look at the graph, the function rule of x cubed. So this is called a cubic function. Another one of those functions that you should know by heart. So let's graph it. And this is what it looks like. And I bet you can guess what happens when I add 1 to it. It's going to do the exact same thing. I'm just going to, this part's just going to move up 1. So y equals x cubed plus 1. Same thing. And I hope that this helps.